Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A very warm greeting to the honorable panel of judges, respected teachers, and my beloved friends. My name is Ahmad Ridwansyah. I'm in grade 10th, Junior High School at PKBM Nitya Karunia Peduli, Indonesia. Today, I would like to share my thoughts on something that cherishes our happiness and growth, positive social life. Positive social life is not only about having many friends or being part of every group. It is about building relationships that are healthy, supportive, and full of respect. It is about being surrounded by people who remind us of our value, encourage us to do better, and walk with us through both success and struggle. When we have a positive social circle, our life becomes more meaningful. We learn empathy, teamwork, and respect for differences. A friend will listen to us when we are down, or a community that supports us in our goals can make challenges easier to face. In fact, social life is like a mirror when we give kindness, respect, and encouragement. We receive the same in return. On the other hand, negative social life can harm us. Peer pressure, toxic habits, or unhealthy competition can steal our confidence and limit our future. That is why it is important to choose wisely who we spend our time with. Just as a flower grows best in fertile soil, we to grow best in a supportive environment. For us as students, building a positive social life does not require grand gestures. It can start with simple actions, smiling at others, listening before judging, respecting differences, and offering help. The small acts of kindness can create a big impact in making our school and our community better places. So let us choose to be friends who inspire, not discourage. Let us create circles that builds confidence, not fear. And let us remember that achievement in life feel far greater when we have good people to share them with. In the end, a positive social life is not only about joy, it is about growth, support, and lasting happiness. Let's treasure it, build it, and spread it. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.